everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a realistic study plan to learn for an exam. All you need is an agenda, a notebook, a pen and highlighters in different colors. The first step to create a study plan is to write down all planned activities and lectures in your agenda. By doing this, you know exactly when you have time to study. You can use highlighters to distinguish between different activities. When you have written down all your planned activities and lectures, it is time to take your notebook to write down all the chapters you need to study. Thereafter, you can divide all chapters into study sessions. You can decide for yourself how long each study session will take. I personally work with study sessions of 2 hours. Next, you can go back to your agenda to schedule buffer periods. A buffer period is a period of time where nothing is planned, in case you need some extra time just before the exam. Now it is time to schedule the study sessions. Make sure that the study sessions are equally divided across the whole period. To remember things better, repetition is very important. Therefore, I always plan a review session at the beginning of each day to repeat what I've learned the day before. These were all steps to make a realistic study plan. Here are 5 tips to stick to your schedule. 1. Turn your phone off or on silent mode while studying. 2. Schedule buffer periods. 3. Reward yourself after studying. 4. Plan fun activities with your friends. 5. Keep your goals in mind. Hopefully, you are now able to make your own study plan. Thanks for watching and good luck with your exam. Bye!